go with the elbow so I don't get you, so I don't cop a feel. Yeah, you move your pills.
How do you know what I was doing? You can see.
No, I can't. Look. I can't see.
Okay. Ninja and Jace.
Hello.
A little bit different today. I'm going to test Jason out.
Oh.
10-year test. I'm going to just see how good he is. So I'm going to blindfold him here in a minute. And so, yeah, I'll get him around the other side of the table. I'll give him a tub of wax and I'm going to tell him what I want treated.
All right.
Specific muscles.
You just remember you asked for this, all right?
All right.
So.
Yeah, no, it's your idea.
No, I have nothing to do with this.
Oh. So
that's your draping towel.
Yeah.
All right, you're blindfolding me.
I'm going to try and blindfold him.
All right.
See if I can.
Oh, without.
You want to be able to breathe?
Yeah, I'd like to be able to breathe.
Enough breathing difficulties as it is. So.
Yeah, that's right. My nose doesn't work already. Is this going to mess up my hair, Ninja?
It will a little bit.
Oh no! I've put so much effort into it.
You've got to find some of the. So I'm going to get you to walk around here.
I feel like it needs to be a bit tighter, Ninja. Oh no! I muted myself. Can you pull that a bit tight? It's going to fall down. Squeeze, Ninja. Go. There. Yeah, that'll do. All right, where's my wax?
Here's your wax.
All right.
So I'm just going to strip off.
Are you going face down just so I don't accidentally touch it?
Oh, well, that's
I don't want to touch your ball.
face down.
All right, let me find the table. All right.
All right. What you do an armpit?
Oh, Jesus. What part? Subscap?
Yeah.
All right, so come around this side, Leo. Let's
How do you know where Leo is? Can you see?
Teach. No, well, I'm directing him. Let's teach. So we find the rib cage here, and then to find subscap, I'm going to sink down in towards the table, so I can actually stand up and get a bit more leverage. I can grab Ninja's arm. So subscap does a bit of internal rotation. So if I want to open it up, we can really pin and hold and start to promote some flexion as well. And just staying connected. So pushing down, we can go a little bit higher. Sometimes it's a bit more up that way. So I'm angling up this way now. Oh, ran into the camera. Come on, Leo, I can't see. Surely you can. And there's a good spot in there. How's that feeling for you, Ninja?
Yeah, good.
Good?
Yeah.
So we just open everything up, get it going that way. You can even get a thumb if I really want to inflict a bit of extra oomph. In, there we go. This can also refer some sensations down into the elbow. So if you're suffering golfer's elbow, pain down the arm, sometimes it can refer out towards your deltoid.
All right.
Oh. All right.
Okay, so
he's had enough of that one.
Yeah, enough. Groin, money spot.
Oh, jeez.
Groin, money spot.
Oh. All right. Move the bolster. We don't need that. You're going to go with the elbow so I don't get you, so I don't cop a feel. Yeah, you move your pills.
How do you know what I was doing? You can see.
No, I can't. Look. I can't see. I'm just feeling where you. So that's the pubic bone there. I'm going to sink in, supporting with this hand, and we just go under that tendon. Feels like there's a bit more for Ninja. I'm going to just change the angle so I can really hook up. Just pinning. So if you've got OP, I can even teach you here. Let's just go for a little lesson. So we just angle in. If you've got tight groins, tight hip flexors, you're stuck in an anterior tilt and feel like you can't move through your pelvis, this spot here is gold. Somewhere that people don't get treated very often. A lot of people go to the quads or your hip flexors, but they might overlook the adductors. Not here. This is a key spot. How you feeling, Ninja?
Good.
You confident? You're pretty confident in me going elbow blindfolded near your Johnson.
Yeah, she's cool. She's cool. Full faith in you, man.
Yeah, that's
full
good.
Faith. All right. Might get you to swap up again. I'm gonna
sink out.
Yeah. So stand up. I'm gonna just move. Get you into a quick lower back money spot.
All right. Where'd you go? Oh! Really got it. All right, we'll start with the palm.
Yeah.
How's your back been feeling, by the way?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's getting strong again.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
So we'll just start with the pisiform. Angle in, get to know him. And I can even lean over. So angling sort of down at the moment, and then I want to hook back. So with this hand, I'm pulling my pisiform back into that. So spearing across almost to his opposite glute. And once we're happy that the pisiform's done the job, we can step up to the bigger tool. Get the elbow right in that little groove where the spine meets the pelvis. And we're just going to sit in there. How you feeling, Ninja?
Yeah, comfortable. That's
Comfortable?
That's cool. Yeah. Can be probably uncomfortable in a minute. Sink in more, but yeah, I'm good now. Yeah, it's getting more into.
Does everyone get this 10-year challenge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do
You reckon
Aaron-
Aaron's up for this then?
Yeah.
Who else? No one else is up to 10. No, Darcy would be the next one after that, wouldn't
Yeah. Yeah. Come a couple of years after you.
he? Still a few years off.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got some time to work on it then. Little Darcy.
Yeah. That's good.
I reckon back in that ways.
Yeah.
We can pivot and go down.
Yeah. What was your favourite costume you dressed up in as at the Christmas party?
Oh, the Christmas party. Well, let's roll through it. What did we do? We did Beaker.
Beaker.
From the Muppets one year. That was pretty basic. Just had to go orange hair and a
Lab coat?
scientist. Yeah, lab coat. Norman Gunston, who I didn't know who that was. Ninja loved it. That was obviously your
That was
idea.
the best, yeah.
The Joker. That one put a bit of effort into.
Yeah. Green hair.
Green hair, that was just a wig, but I did the full face paint, so that was a bit of effort.
Yeah.
Who else did I go as? Well, we've only done 3.
You went the old man. That was a bit controversial, that
The
one.
old man, yeah,
Yeah.
that's a bit controversial, so we won't go too far into that one.
Yeah, nearly got us.
YouTube wasn't a fan of that.
No, nearly got us
Blacklisted.
deleted. The whole account nearly got it deleted because of that. So, would have been a travesty.
Would have, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All our gold,
Yeah.
golden moments.
Gone forever.
How you going in there, Ninja?
Yeah, good. Get you to move on. I reckon one more to is it levator scap tendon where it joins onto the shoulder
Yep.
blade.
All right.
See if you can kind of get that one to happen. Whoa,
Oh.
this one fucking.
You might be regretting
That's
this.
a dumb choice. So what are we going to dress up as this year? Oh,
What do you reckon? Well, we actually dressed nice last year and went to the races.
yeah.
And Ninja's already turned around and going, nah, I reckon it's dress ups. Can't be dressing nice.
Yeah.
Everyone else is doing that.
Yeah.
Maybe we're back to lookalikes. We haven't done that for a few years now.
Yeah.
But we've got to come up with some good ones, I guess, and
Yeah.
see who people actually look like. You reckon I should go as Ned Flanders from The Simpsons?
Yep.
Just because of my mo.
No, it wasn't that.
You reckon the old...
Pixelated
you
part.
reckon the pixelated's more where...
Yeah, that's more closer to more accurate.
Geez, I'll take that.
Yeah. Flanders, what was it? Dating app profile.
He's pretty well off.
Yeah. Luckily, he's a bachelor.
Yeah.
Poor old, was it Maud?
Yeah.
Maud died with a t-shirt hit her when she was...
Yeah, was shot with the t-shirt cannon, didn't she?
Yeah. She's going to get a hot dog for Ned. Something like that. Way to die.
How's that one feeling, Ninja?
Yeah.
Got your bit of curry in there, or not too bad?
Not quite as bad as I thought it might be. So
Maybe we'll go a
being nice to me. We'll have to look back through the footage because I haven't been able to see stuff doing on my back, and I'll give you a mark out of 10. So see if you pass, see if you keep your job. Might have to ask the fans out there if they want Jason to stay at MMT or.
Oh, jeez, I didn't know this was. Didn't know it was sackable.
I think I'll be out the door before you will be, mate. Yeah, the fans can vote on that.
The fan vote.
Yeah,
I think Das will be the number one that they vote to keep.
they like. Yeah, maybe they can rate us.
That might not be good for someone.
No, it's not very nice. We're all humans, you know. We've got our different strengths.
Got our
you know.
different strengths and weaknesses.
Yeah, that's right. Not everyone can be beautiful.
Yeah, ours is more for our intellect and putting knowledge together, isn't it, Nid?
Yeah, that's right.
Talking, that's our strength.
Yep. Going to put out a educational piece on how to talk. Communication. That's what I was trying to say.
Pronunciation of words.
Yeah. Articulation and that.
Yeah, and that. Let's just do one more. I reckon there's a little. Oh yeah.
In there.
Here we go. Oh, sorry, Leo.
Ah,
Oh, we're gonna pin.
100%.
100%?
No. No.
Ninja called it.
Ah. Turned into a duck.
We'll give it a little scoop as well. So angle in and scoop it. Come on. Oh. Right on it.
And this video was kind of inspired by one of our Patreon
Yes.
videos. So if people are interested in seeing us all blindfolded or receiving
But it's
blindfolded.
the other
wasn't
way,
it?
yeah. It's person on the table blindfolded, guessing who is treating them and with what tool they're treating them with.
Yeah, it was a great episode. So if you want to,
Stay tuned to find out who the winner is.
yeah, you have to go and get on Patreon to have a look.
Someone, I reckon,
We can't
won
tell
his
ya.
first ever challenge.
Yeah, but there's 1,000 videos or something on Patreon if you want to go and join and have a look. Go back through the archives. Lots of fun in there. And no towels.
No towels,
No
just
towels.
quality banter,
Yep.
good ASMR content, and yeah, quality.
Yeah. Will I take you?
Oh, imagine if I was treating Leo the whole time. All right, thanks guys. Little fun video for you. See you next time.
Done.
Oh.